shit. Oh well. And the inner part of my hand just hit the stop button on the camera. And I'm like, oh well. Another video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, how lovely.
Oh my god. This is awesome. They're all like, this is so cool. Like, I don't even know where to point my camera. We gotta keep doing this.
Yeah. Yes.
So cute. So cute.
Yeah, just went for a swim. Look at him.
Oh, there's another one over there. Oh my god, there are so many. I don't even know where to point my camera.
I know, when we first came down, there was hardly any.
Yeah. Last time I came down here and sat for an hour, there was so many birds eventually. Holy crap. Holy crap, and it's just walking around. I wonder what happened to that picnic table. Because, like, last time I was here, like, it wasn't upended like that. Yeah. Oh my god, there's so many birds. Like, oh, that's better. Oh god. Holy crap. There's, oh my god, look over there. Oh my god, that's some sort of duck, I think.
Yeah.
Oh. There are so many birds. Holy shit, there's two. See, I knew more would come eventually. We've got to come. We've got to come and do this again.
Of course.
This, holy
There's
shit.
more again.
Okay.
Wow.
I am definitely... Oh my god.
Time for a drink.
Oh. And one of them's just like...
Yeah.
Oh.
Those two sitting together.
Yeah. Oh, that's adorable. Oh my god, I don't know where to put my... I don't know where to put my camera, my god. I'm probably saying that a lot, but it's true.
Mm.
Holy shit! Whoa.
Mm.
Okay, I'm gonna focus on the... Oh my god. Are they actually ducks?
Yes.
Oh my god, they're so cute. I wonder how many ducks are like in Australia. Maybe I should research that next. See, I don't normally talk this much in my videos, but shit! What the hell was that?
The bird that was up on the roof.
The duckies!
You watch it. And oh,
What?
diving. They were diving under a bit. Look, there he goes, and then he comes up.
Oh my god. I wonder if my brother still likes going to the park and looking at the ducks. I'm probably gonna focus on the ducks. Because that's so adorable. I've never seen ducks do that before. Like,
Sit next to each other.
yeah,
Mm.
that's adorable. That is literally... Actually, you know what?